There is not a spectacle in golf. What's the situation, David?
Well, got about 150 yards left here.
Concentrate now. You can make this one.
Okay, we should be done here.
Inverts his putt.
At number 2, the drive is blind from the championship tee.
It's okay. Brilliant, but okay. At least we're dancing. It's in the hole. There is plenty of fairway to the left of the flag before the principal's nose bunker comes into play.
If he waits until the fall, he might have a look at the flagstick from there. Well, he's going to scatter a few leaves with this shot.
Looks to be about 160 yards to the pin.
Wow. Is that a guess? You're about right.
That's a very difficult putt here.
Not the best swing I've seen. Well, this is not exactly a strong effort. That's a double bogey, and there goes 2 shots. Whee!
The safest play off the tee here at number 4 is to aim left over the prominent mound at about 150 yards. Looks to be about 160 yards to the pin.
Wow. Was that a guess? You're about right. Here comes a 6-iron.
This could make things interesting. That's just too bad. It's a bogey that cost him a shot.
Your target off the tee at number 5 should be just to the left of a pair of far... No complaints about this one. It'll end up just fine.
What do you have, David?
Well, good shot to hit it on the green from here. We're right around 200 yards. Ooh, it'll take a nice play to get it out of here.
to fall one back.
The sixth fairway is just pockmarked with hazards. 6 bunkers up the right and 4 on the left. To put your straight and short.
David, what's the situation?
I'm thinking about $1.70 to the hole here.
Going with a 5-iron. This putt for birdie.
That's not quite what we were looking for.
Holds it in for par.
The 7th hole provides a number of alternatives. Good time for the lob wedge. Needs to drain this for par. Now this is a bogey putt you don't want to miss. Yeah, obviously this wasn't part of your plan. That's a very painful double bogey.
In the 1995 Open Championship, there were only 2 birdies at the 8th on the first day. This to save par. Bogey attempt. It's a bogey that cost him a shot. The perfect line is over the prominent bush, avoiding the fairway bunkers. You are now facing a unique phenomenon for the old course, a single green that is flat and round with no significant greenside bunkers. Depending on your position, putting could be the best option.